Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for or log into Peacock TV. So it's important to note that Peacock TV is currently available in selected regions like the United States. So this guide is for viewers in those areas. Now, there are also ways to access Peacock TV from other regions as well, and I will show you how to do that too. So without wasting any more time, let's jump in. First, let's cover how to create a brand new account. The easiest way is to do it with a web browser on your computer or phone. Simply open your favorite browser and then computer search for Peacock TV. Now, if you're outside of the US, you will need to use a good VPN. For example, simply get any type of VPN. There are many on the market like NordVPN or ExpressVPN for paid users, and if you want something free, you can always use ProtonVPN. Now, once you enable the VPN, simply click on the Peacock TV link, and it should take you to the official homepage of Peacock TV, as you can see right over here. Now, simply wait for a few seconds, and over here, all you have to do is simply click on the big yellow Get Started option, and then it will take you to the payment page. Over here, you have to choose what type of payment plan you want to use, like the Premium or the Premium Plus. Then you'll have two options, monthly and annually. Now, depending on your budget and how you require it, choose any one of the plans. Let's say, for example, you want monthly plans, click on monthly over here. And then the payment will automatically update depending on the plan you pick, which you can see right over here. Now, all you have to do is first enter your email address, the password that you're going to use, re-enter that password, and fill in your other details. Now, after filling up all the details, all you have to do is click on Create Account. One thing that you should always remember is the email address and the password you used, because this will be the information that you will use to log back in. Now, click on Create Account, and now wait for a few seconds. And after that, you should be redirected to the payment method page. So wait for a few seconds. And over here in the payment method section, you should be able to see more information like the credit card section and the PayPal section. Now, depending on how you want to check out, choose your option. So if you're choosing credit card, you'll enter your name, address, city, state, zip code, then your card number and the other card details. And if you want to use PayPal, simply choose this option. Check this box over here and click on PayPal. Then it will open a small browser where your PayPal will automatically get logged in if you already have it linked with the browser. If not, simply enter your PayPal email address and password and complete the payment through there. And then once you have completed the payment and you have received a success notification, you have to come back to the main homepage of Peacock TV and simply click on Sign In, paste your email address, then click on Continue. Now enter the same password that you used, and then click on Sign In. Now simply wait for a few seconds, and after that, you should be redirected to the homepage of Peacock TV. Wait for a few seconds. It might take some time. And then when you log in for the very first time, you will have a page where you will have to create a profile, as you can see right over here. I already have two accounts, so you need to create a new profile over here. And once you have created your new profile, simply click on your profile and then you are good to go. As you can see right over here, you should be able to access all the shows, movies, and series from Peacock TV. So that's it. You now know how to sign in and sign up for Peacock TV from the US or even outside of the US. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.